In this video, I'm going to show you how to screenshot on TradingView mobile. Now, the easiest way to do this is to either use the inbuilt function or to just use the screenshot on your phone. So if you want to use the built-in function, you want to go to your chart, then at the bottom, you can see there's going to be like a bunch of different things, the drawing tools, trading, and then three dots. So if you scroll that towards the right like this, you'll see there's going to be this button at the very far right, which is the share button. If you tap on it, one of the options is going to be to save the chart image. So if you tap on save chart image, that's basically going to do a screenshot for you, okay? Now that's of course the first way. The second one is to just use screenshot on your phone. So whatever phone you're using, usually if you're an Android, it's going to be a screenshot tool on your, of course, controls for volume and power on and power off of the mobile phone. So just basically press the volume down and the power on button on your phone together, and that's going to do a screenshot just like this. So that's how you screenshot. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.